Hey guys, Isaiah here at Propel Fitness Center. I want to talk a little bit about our verbiage that we use on our workouts. First thing being AMRAP. You probably see that quite often in our workouts. It simply means as many rounds as possible or as many reps as possible. If we're using it in terms of rounds, we typically have 3, 4, up to 10 movements that you're doing in a certain time period, like a 20-minute AMRAP. That means you're revolving through those minutes as many times as you can, as many rounds as you can in that 20-minute period. If you see it after just a singular movement like push-ups, that may mean as many reps as possible. So you're doing the max reps possible. And it could be a time allotment, or it could be as many as you can do in a set. So that's what that means. Next one we want to talk about is EMOM. That stands for every minute on the minute. So say you get an exercise, or maybe 2 or 3 exercises, and it says you have to complete 5 burpees, 5 push-ups every minute on the minute. So what that means is the designated reps or those movements, you're trying to complete those inside that minute till it gets to the top of the minute again, and then you have to repeat it over. And you have to try to keep up with the clock on that. Sometimes we'll do an E2 mom, which stands for every 2 minutes on the minute, an E3 mom every 3 minutes on the minute, things like those, okay? Other acronyms to get familiar with is things like TB, tension band, DB, dumbbell, KB, kettlebell. Another one is, what do we got? Bands, wall ball, WB, things like that. So those are all just acronyms and verbiage we use. And so hopefully that gives you a better understanding as once we go into the program of what to expect. Before I forget also, you may see a right left equals 1. That means we're doing equal amount of reps per side. Sometimes we'll do right left equals 2. So that means you're splitting the reps between sides. So those are some other things to watch out for. If you have more questions, please just let us know, because we'd love to help you out with our verbiage and how to get used to our style of programming, especially if you do the virtual program we have to offer.